Hello everyone on Auction Time. This is Adam from Adam's Auctions and Real Estate. Today we've got a wrecker for sale. It's a 2001 Chevrolet 3500HD wrecker. It's got 198,000 miles on it. Starts, runs, operates as it should. Body's in so-so condition. As you can see, it's got some rust, some peeling paint. But it is a wrecker. It does work, operate the way it should. Automatic transmission. Give you a quick view of the inside here. 2001 Chevrolet wrecker, 198,000 miles. Everything does work and operate as it should. Came from a local wrecker company that's just downsizing his fleet. Looking underneath, I don't see any major oil leaks or anything. If you have any questions about this wrecker, give Adam a call, 618-530-8751. This wrecker is located in Belleville, Illinois at Adam's Auction Center.